If you're a runner looking to track your performance and recovery, HRV4 Training is an app you might be considering. I tested it during my running routine, and here's the honest review. HRV4 Training focuses on heart rate variability, or HRV, which measures your body's recovery and readiness. By monitoring HRV daily, the app can tell you if you're overtraining, under-recovering, or ready for intense workouts. Using it is simple. Open the app, measure your heart rate using your phone's camera or a compatible heart rate monitor, and log your training and lifestyle factors like sleep, stress, and nutrition. The app then gives you insights and training suggestions based on your data. One of the most powerful features is trend analysis. It tracks your HRV over weeks and months, showing how your training affects recovery. This helps prevent burnout and improves performance. For example, after a series of long runs, I noticed a drop in HRV, signaling the need for rest before my next session. Most people get this wrong by looking at HRV as a single number. HRV4 Training emphasizes trends, not isolated readings. Daily fluctuations are normal. It's the long-term pattern that matters. Limitations: while the app is insightful, it's not a substitute for professional advice if you have heart conditions or injuries. Also, data collection requires consistency. Skipping days can reduce accuracy. In conclusion, HRV4 Training is a valuable tool for runners who want to monitor recovery, prevent overtraining, and optimize performance. With consistent use, it provides actionable insights that make your training smarter. Subscribe for more running reviews, fitness apps, and data-driven tips to improve your workout safely and effectively.